Behold what the Lord is doing in our midst. From the ground up, this structure stands as a testimony of faith, unity, and unwavering commitment to the vision. What was once an idea is now becoming a reality before our eyes. As you can see, construction is progressing steadily. The walls are going up with precision, strength, and purpose. Our dedicated builders are working tirelessly day by day, ensuring that every brick laid contributes to something lasting and impactful. This is more than just construction. This is the building of a house that will serve generations to come, a place of worship, transformation, and divine encounters. Every section you see here reflects progress made possible through partnership and sacrifice. Hands are at work, but behind every effort is a heart committed to the vision. Step by step, brick by brick, this project is advancing. And it is because of your prayers, your giving, and your continued support. Moving inside, we see significant development taking place at the back of the auditorium. Construction of the toilet is well underway, and door frames have already been installed. This marks an important phase in making the facility fully functional and ready to serve all who gather here. Every completed section brings us closer to the finished vision. The structure is taking shape beautifully. What was once an empty space is now transforming into a well-organized and purposeful environment. Careful planning and diligent work are evident in every corner. Indeed, progress is not just visible, it is remarkable. Towards the outer section of the building, the public toilets are nearing completion. The plumbing work is almost fully done, with only the urinals for the men remaining. This is a clear sign that we are moving closer and closer to completion. We would like to sincerely thank every partner, every supporter, and every contributor to this great work. Your generosity is building something that will stand for years to come. As we continue, we encourage you to keep partnering with us. Together, we are not just building a structure, we are building for the glory of God. Stay blessed.